Hey there, it's Kat, and today I'm going to walk you through the process of transferring a firearm from one FFL to a customer. This is a common scenario for firearms that are purchased from an online marketplace like usedguns.com and sent to a local FFL like yourself for pickup. When the firearm arrives at your shop, we first need to bring it into your inventory so it's recorded in the A&D book. From Bravo's dashboard, select the drop-down inventory from the right-hand panel, choose Stock Management, head to the Receiving tab, and click Add Receiving. Now, let's add that firearm. Click on the Item Inventory tab, then Add General Merchandise. We're going to head to the other side of the screen and click Estimator. Now we're going to enter the make and model of the firearm. In this example, we have a Glock 19 Gen 4. Enter the serial number here, and for the quality assessment, you only have to select the caliber and enter the action to create the ATF record, unless your store is required to answer all of them to move forward. We're going to pop in the importer here. The MSRP and price are already preset. Since we're not really selling this firearm and we're just performing the transfer, let's change the price to a penny. Now choose Next. Enter the location you'll store the firearm until it's picked up by the customer, and add a cost of 0. Now, let's enter the vendor that sent us this firearm. Click the Select Vendor button, then enter the business name and choose Search. If this is the first firearm sent to you by this business, select Add New Vendor here, or you can assure it's the correct vendor by verifying the FFL number found here. In the notes section here, we're going to list that this is for transfer, and you can even put the customer's name. With all of your information complete, select Save and print the tag. The firearm is properly logged into your A&D book and it's ready to be picked up by the customer. That's it. If you have any questions, our Solution Center has a ton of helpful articles. You can ask our AI assistant Judy or give us a call at 888-407-6287. Thanks and have a great day.